morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will study about prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay. So firstly prime and composite numbers. Firstly here is prime number. What are the prime number? Any number greater than 1 which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Okay. What are the prime number? Any number, कोई भी number which is greater than 1 means positive में ही होते हैं. नेगेटिव अगर 1 से लेस है 0 या नेगेटिव में नो, नेगेटिव या 0 में नहीं आता है प्राइम नंबर. ओके. ग्रेटर देन 1, एनी नंबर ग्रेटर देन 1 विच हैज ओनली टू फैक्टर्स, जिसके सिर्फ टू फैक्टर्स हो, मतलब वो सिर्फ या तो खुद की टेबल में आए या फिर 1 की टेबल में आए, उसके अलावा और किसी भी टेबल में नहीं आए. That is called prime number. So, which has only two factors, 1 and number itself is called a prime number. ऐसे नंबर जो खुद की टेबल में आए और सिर्फ 1 की टेबल में आए, that is called prime number. Okay? Example, the numbers 2. अब 2 क्या है? 2 या तो 1 की टेबल में आता है या फिर 2 की टेबल में आता है. 3 या 1 की टेबल में आता है या फिर 3 में. 5 भी 1 टेबल में आता है या फिर 5 की टेबल में, उसके अलावा 2, 3, 4 किसी की टेबल में नहीं आता. 7 also come in 1 table and only 7 table. After that 11 also come in 1 table and 11 table. So these numbers are prime numbers. ये सारे कैसे नंबर है? प्राइम नंबर्स. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे प्राइम नंबर्स, नॉट ओनली दिस. आई राइट इट मतलब एक्सेट्रा, और भी बहुत सारे हैं जो प्राइम नंबर्स है जो 1 की और खुद की टेबल में आते हैं. दैट नंबर आर कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर. ओके. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कंपोजिट नंबर. अ नंबर विच हैज मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स, जिसके 2 से ज्यादा, मतलब 2 फैक्टर वाले तो प्राइम हो गए, अब 2 से ज्यादा जिनके फैक्टर हो इज कॉल्ड अ कंपोजिट नंबर. उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? कंपोजिट नंबर. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल द नंबर्स 4, 6, 8. 4 जो है वो 1 की टेबल में आता है, 2 की टेबल में भी आता है, 4 की टेबल में. तो 1 और 4 के में तो आता है, उसके अलावा 2 की टेबल में आ गया. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कंपोजिट. जो 1 की और खुद की टेबल के अलावा और किसी भी टेबल में आ जाए, सो दैट नंबर इज कॉल्ड कंपोजिट नंबर. 6 1 की टेबल में आता है, 2 में भी आता है, 3 में भी आता है, 6 में भी. अब 1 और 6 में आता है ओनली तो होता है हमारे पास प्राइम. But it comes in 2 and 3 table also. That means 6 is composite number. 8 also composite because 8 come in 1, 2, 4 and 8 table. 9 also because 9 come in 1, 3 and 9. अब only 1 और 9 में आता तो this is prime. But it comes in 3 table also. So this is composite. Okay. After that 10 also composite, 12 also composite. Then after that 14 also composite. Okay. 15 also composite. There is so many numbers which are composite. Okay. So have you got the difference? If a number has only 2 factor, so that is prime, and when it has more than 2 factor, so that is composite. Okay. And what is 1? 1 क्या है? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? Because 1 has only 1 factor. 1 सिर्फ 1 की टेबल में आता है, इसके अलावा और किसी की टेबल में नहीं आता. तो ना तो ये प्राइम की कंडीशन को पूरा करता, ना ही ये कंपोजिट की कंडीशन को पूरा कर रहा. दैट्स व्हाई 1 इज अ यूनिक नंबर. इट इज नाइदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट, नाउ twin primes. What are the twin primes? 2 prime numbers with a composite number in between are called twin prime. When we have 2 prime numbers continue, in between them we have 1 composite number. That pair is called twin prime. Okay. For example 3 and 5. 3 is also prime, 5 is also prime, and between them we have 4, and 4 is a composite number. That's why this pair is called twin prime. When we have 2 prime numbers and in between them we have 1 composite number, so that is called twin prime. Okay. 11 and 13. In between 11 and 13 we have 12, and 12 is a composite number. That's why this pair is also twin prime. 17 and 19. 17 and 19 both are the prime numbers. And in between them we have 18. And 18 is a composite number. That's why 17 and 19 are also twin prime. This pair is also called twin prime. Okay. So these all are the twin primes. Now let me start our exercise 3.2. First question is there. Separate the prime and non-prime numbers from the following numbers. You have to make separate prime and non-prime. Non-prime means composite, the rest will be composite. Numbers you have to make them separate. Numbers are 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 73, 89, 111, 51. So you have to make them separate. Now let me start solution. Firstly we write prime numbers and downside we will write non-prime numbers. So prime numbers which we will check one by one. In which we have prime we have, so we will write with prime line. And if non-prime means composite, so we will write it non-prime. So firstly 35. You will see that 35 there is in ones column 5. So it will come in 5 table. So 1 and itself already, and after that it will come in 5 table also. So this is not prime. So this is not prime. So in non-prime we will write 35. Okay. Then next is 37. 37 is a prime number. So 37 we will write in the prime. Then after that 39. 39 will come in 1 and 39 table, and after that it will come in 3 table also. So this is non-prime. So we will write in non-prime. Then 41. 41 is a prime number. Then after that 43. 43 is also a prime number. It come in only 1 table and in 43 table. Then after that we have 73. 73 is also a prime number. That come in 1 table and in 73 table. Okay. Then after that we have 89. 89 is also a prime number because it come only in 1 table and in 89 table. Then after that we have 111. We will see that it come in 1 table and in 111 table. After that it will come in 3 table also, because sum of the digit 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 3 will come in 3 tables, so that is not prime, this is composite. So here we will write 111. Then after that we have 51. 51 also will come in 1 table and in 51, and after that 5 plus 1, 6. It will come in 3 table also. So that is, it is composite. Okay. That's okay. So we have written prime numbers and non-prime numbers. Then next question, question second. Pick out the composite numbers from the given numbers. You have to find here composite number. आपको यहाँ से composite number find करने. Numbers given है आपको 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63 and 65. So you have to find composite number. So see firstly 47. 47 is a prime number or composite? It is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. Then after that 49. 49 is a composite number. How? Because it come in 1 and 49 table, and after that it come in 7 table also. 7 sevens are 49. That means 49 is a composite number. Then next 51. 51 here already we have done. It's coming composite number. Then next 53. 53 is a prime number. Then after that 55. 55 will come in 1 and 55 table, and after that it will come in 5 table also, 11 table also. So this is composite number. Then 57. 57 come in 3 table, because 7 plus 5 12. 12 come in 3 table, so 57 also will come in 3 table. So it is also composite. Then after that 59. 59 is a prime number. 59 कैसा नंबर है? Prime. Then after that 61 is also prime. This is the pair of twin prime also. 59, 61. इनके बीच में 60 आता है जो आपका composite है. Okay, these both are the prime numbers. Then after that 63. 63 is a composite number. So we write as 63 because it will come in 3 table. 6 plus 3, 9. So it will come in 3 table also, 9 table also. Then 65. 65 will come in 5 table because in one's column 5. So this is also composite. So these all are the composite number. Finish? Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3. Write all twin primes between 99 and 199. You have to write all the twin primes between 99 and 199. Okay. So there is from 1 to 200 there is 15 pair of twin primes. Here we will write from 99 to 199. Okay. Let me start solution. All twin primes between 99 and 199 are. So 99 is a composite number and we have to start between. There is given between. So 99 is a composite number. After that 100 is also composite number. Then 101 is a prime number and 102 is composite. Then 103 is also prime. So that means this pair is a twin prime because 102 is composite and 101 and 103 both are prime. So this pair is twin prime. So 101 and 103. Same as 107 and 109. In between there we have 108 and that is composite. Then 137 and 139. The next pair is 149 and 151. The next pair is 179 and 181. The next is 191 and 193. The last is 197 and 199. Here we will count 199 also because 197 comes before. Okay. So that the last pair is 197 and 199. Okay. These are the pair of twin primes from 99 and between 99 and 199. Okay. Then next question, question number 4. Write true or false against the given statement. You have to write that which is true and which is false. That you have to tell and you will write here. A part. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. It is right or wrong? It is right because prime number have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So this is true. So we will write here true. Okay. Then next, the number 1, B part, the number 1 is a prime number. No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Na to 1 prime hai aur na hi composite. So this is false. So we write here false. Then next, the number 2 is not a prime number. 2 जो है वो prime number नहीं है. So this is also wrong because 2 is a prime number. 2 के सिर्फ 2 factor है, 1 और 2. That means 2 come only in 2 numbers table, 1 and itself. So it is prime number. So this is also false. Then next, there is no even number. यहाँ पे कोई भी even number नहीं है. So this is also wrong. We have even number. Sorry, there is no even prime number. There is given. There is no even prime number. So 2 is a prime number and that is even. 2 कैसा है? Even है. उसके अलावा तो सारे prime number हमारे पास odd होते हैं. Only 2 is a prime number and that is even also. Okay, 2 जो है वो prime number भी है और वो even भी है. So here is given there is no, कि यहाँ पे कोई भी even prime number है ही नहीं. No, we have. कौन सा है हमारे पास? 2. 2 जो प्राइम भी है और इवन भी है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स. If there is given that there is no even prime number except 2, so this is true. अगर यहाँ पे ये होता कि 2 के अलावा कोई भी जो नंबर है वो इवन नहीं है, जो प्राइम नंबर है वो इवन नहीं है, तो 2 ओनली 2 ऐसा है जो इवन भी है और प्राइम भी है. उसके अलावा ऑल द प्राइम नंबर्स आर ओड. ओके, बट देयर विल बी फॉल्स. द नेक्स्ट इज द लार्जेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर, 1 डिजिट एंड 2 डिजिट नंबर आर कंपोजिट नंबर. जो लार्जेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर है और जो लार्जेस्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर है वो कंपोजिट नंबर है. तो आपको बताना है कि दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. तो देखो लार्जेस्ट 1 डिजिट नंबर क्या होता है 9 एंड लार्जेस्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर इज 99 एंड बोथ आर कंपोजिट और प्राइम. 9 इज कंपोजिट बिकॉज 9 हैज 1, 9 एंड 3 फैक्टर्स है. दैट मीन्स दिस इज कंपोजिट. 99 also composite, it come in 1 table, 3 table, 9 table, 11 table and 99 table also. That means this is also composite. और यहाँ पे ये given है कि the largest 1 digit and 2 digit numbers are composite numbers. So that is true. Okay. So first is true, second false, third false, fourth false and last is true. Okay, now question number 5. Yes, now question number 5. Draw the psi of Eratosthenes to find out prime numbers between 101 and 250. Okay, so here you have to draw the psi of Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was a Greek scientist. He make a table by which we can find the prime and composite number. So that table is known as psi of Eratosthenes table. Okay. So by that we have to firstly we will draw this table in our notebook and we will find the prime numbers between 101 and 250. So for that first of all we require the prime number from 100 to 101. Okay, sorry, 1 to 101, not 100, from 1 to 101. Okay, so 1 is a neither prime nor composite. So here I write prime numbers from 1 to 101. So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 101. First of all, we will cross the multiple of these all. When we cross the multiple of these all, then we will get the prime numbers between 101 and 250. So for that, first of all, we should write the numbers from 100 to 249 because there is given between 101 and 250. So we will not write 101 and 250. We will write between numbers. So we will start from 102 and we will write till 249. Okay. Then we will cross the multiples of all prime numbers from 1 to 101. Okay. जो 1 से 100 के बीच के जितने भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं उन सब के मल्टीपल्स हम यहाँ पे क्रॉस करेंगे. ओके. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. All the even numbers are the multiples of 2. So first of all we will cross all the even numbers. Okay. We should cross all the even numbers from there. So we will skip 1 and then we will get all the even numbers. How many even numbers we have, that we have to cross like this. Okay. 132, 134, 136, 138, 140, 142, 144, 146, 148, 150. Then 152, 154, 156, 158, 160, 162, 164, 166, 168, 170, 172, 174, 176, 178, 180. 192, 184, 186, 188, 190, 192, 194, 196, 198, 200. Okay. then 202, 204, 26, 208, 210, 212, 214, 216, 218, 220, then 222, 224, 226, 228, 230, 232, 234, 236, 238, 240, 242, 244, 246, 248. So we have crossed all the even numbers. Then after that multiple of 3. So let me start multiple of 3. After 101, what we have multiple of 3? 105. 102 is multiple of 3. Okay? 102, because 2 plus 1, 3. So it will come in 3 table, but it is already crossed. Then after that 105. Then 108 is already crossed. Then 111. Then 114 is already crossed. Then 117. Then 120 is already crossed. Then after that 123. Then 126 already crossed. Then 129. Then 132 already crossed. Then 135. Okay. Then 36, 37 left. 138 already crossed. 139, 140 left. Then 141. Because we have to add 3, 3 for the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 के लिए हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? 3, 3. तो 2 नंबर स्किप करके हम देख लेंगे what are the multiple of 3. The 141 के बाद 142, 143, 144 already closed. Then 145, 146 skip. 147 is the multiple of 3. Then 148, 149 skip. 150 already closed. It is multiple of 3. Then 153. This is also multiple of 3. Then 156. This is already closed. Then 159. Then 160, 161. Then 162 already closed. Then we skip 2. Then 165. Then we skip 2. 168 is already closed. Then skip 2. Then this is 171 is multiple of 3. Then 174 is multiple of 3, but this is already closed. Then 177. Then 180 already closed. Then 183. Then 186 already closed. Then 189. Then 192 already closed. Then 195. Then 198 already closed. Then 201. Then 204 is already closed. Then 207. Then 210 is already closed. Then 230. 2 नंबर्स हम स्किप कर लेंगे तो हमें 3 की मल्टीपल्स मिल जाएंगे जब 2 स्किप करेंगे. अब 213 के बाद 2 स्किप करेंगे. 14 15 को स्किप किया. 216 ऑलरेडी क्लोज है. 2 स्किप किया. 219 इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. देन अगेन 2 नंबर स्किप. 222 is multiple of 3 but it is already closed. Then 225. Then 222 8 is already closed. Then 231. Then 234 closed. 237. Then 240 already closed. Then 243. Then 246 already closed. Then 249. Okay, so we have crossed the multiple of 3 also. Now we come on multiple of 5. Multiple of 5, the number which have in one's column 0 and 5. 0 or 5. That all are the multiple of 5. तो अब चलते हैं जहाँ पे 0 और 5 है उनको सबको क्रॉस कर दो. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी क्रॉस है 5 0 5. यहाँ पे क्रॉस नहीं है इसको हम क्रॉस कर देंगे. ये ऑलरेडी क्रॉस है. 0 वाले तो ऑलरेडी क्रॉस होंगे बिकॉज दीज आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 ऑल्सो. 2 के मल्टीपल हमने क्रॉस कर दिए तो 0 वाले तो क्रॉस मिलेंगे. सिर्फ 5 की लाइन वाले हम चेक कर लेंगे. जो क्रॉस नहीं है उनको सबको क्रॉस कर देंगे अब बिकॉज दीज आर द मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. तो जो क्रॉस नहीं है इनको सबको हमने क्रॉस कर दिया 5 वालों को बिकॉज दीज विल कम इन 5 table. So multiple of 5 also finished. Now we finish multiple of 7. So multiple of 7 I have written in this page. So I should speak 105. This is multiple of 7. This is already closed. Then 112. This is also closed. Then 119 is the multiple of 7. So we close it. Okay. Then after that 126. That is already closed. 133. We will close this one also. Then 140 is already closed. Then 147 is already closed. Then after that 154, this is also crossed. Then 161 is the multiple of 7. Okay, so we cross it. Then 168, that is already crossed. Then 175, that is also crossed. Then 182, this is also crossed. Then 189, this is also already crossed. Then 196, this is already crossed. Then after that 203, this is the multiple of 7, so we cross it. Then 210, that is already crossed. Then 217, this is also multiple of 7. Then 224, that is already crossed. Then 231, 231 is also already crossed. Then 238, that is already crossed. Then 245, this is also crossed because this is the multiple of 5 also. So we have done crossed the multiple of 7 also. Now multiple of 11. So what are the multiple of 11? First of all, from this, what is the multiple of 11? 110. This is already crossed. Then 121. So we cross it. Then 132 already crossed. Then 143 is the multiple of 11. Then 154 already crossed. Then 165, that is also already crossed. Then after that 176, that is already crossed. Then 187, it is the multiple of 11. Then after that 198, that is already crossed. Then 209 is also multiple of 11. Then 220, that is already crossed. Then 231, that is also already crossed. Then 242, that is also already crossed. Then now we will cross the multiple of 13. So what are the multiple of 13? Multiple of 13 is first of all 104. First of all 104, that is already crossed. Then 117, that is also already crossed. Then 130, that is already crossed. Then after that 143, 13 का multiple है 143, that is also crossed. Then after that 156, that is also crossed. Then after that 169, so we cross it. Then after that 182, that is already crossed because that is even. Then 195, that is also because that is the multiple of 5. Then 208. Now 208 is already crossed. Then after that multiple of 13 is 221. We cross it. Okay. Then after that 234. That is already crossed. Then after that 247. So we cross 247. This is the multiple of 13. Okay. Then after that now we will see the multiple of 17. So what are the multiple of 17? First of all 102. That is already crossed. Then 119. That is also already crossed. Then 136. That is also already crossed. Then 153. That is already crossed because this is the multiple of 3. Then 117. That is also already crossed. Then 187. That is also crossed. Then 204. We check 204. That is even number, so that will be already crossed. Then 221. 221 we have crossed here. Then after that 238, that is already crossed. That means multiple of 17 all are crossed. Then we check multiple of 19. Multiple of 19 is 114. It is even number, so it is already crossed. Then 133. We will check 133 is crossed or not. This is crossed already. Then 152. That is even number, that is crossed. Then 171. This is also already crossed. Then 190. That is also crossed. 209. Then 228. Then 247. That is already crossed. All that. Okay. We will check 209. This is already crossed because this is the multiple of 3. So these all are the crossed. Multiple of 19 is also crossed. Then after that now we check multiple of 23. So multiple of 3 is 23 is 115. First of all 115 already crossed. 138, that is also crossed. 161, that is also crossed. 184, that is even number, so that is also crossed. 207, that is also crossed. Then 230, and then 243. All are closed. Now we check multiple of 29 कि 29 की टेबल में इनके बीच में कौन कौन से आएंगे. So 160 it is closed. Then 145 that is also closed because that is the multiple of 5. 174 that is even number, so that is also closed. 203 that is, we will check 203 is closed or not, so that is closed already. Okay, then after that what we have, after 203 we have 232 that is also even number, so that is closed. 232 that is even number, so that is closed. Now we will see multiple of 31. 31 multiple 124 that is even number, that is closed. 155 that is multiple of 5. 186 that is even number, already closed. 217 that is the multiple of 3. Then 248 we will check. 248 that is even number, so that is also already closed. Now we will see multiple of 37. 37 multiple is 111 that is already closed. 148 that is even number. 185 that is multiple of 5. 222 that is multiple of 2 also. Okay, then after that 41 की multiple कौन कौन से इसके बीच में. 41 के 123 that is already closed because that is the multiple of 3. Then 164 is even number, so that is closed. 205 is the multiple of 5, so that is also closed. Then 246 that is even number, so that is also closed. Now after that we will see, check 43 multiple of 43. 129 that is multiple of 3, so that is already closed. Then 172 that is also even number, that is closed. 215 multiple of 5 and 200 okay 43 के ये आएंगे, तो इसके बाद 258 आएगा. 258 is not there, we will take till 249. Now we will check multiple of 53. तो 53 के multiple होते हैं 106, 159, so 106 is already closed, even number है. 159 we will check. 159 it is already closed. Then 212 is also closed. Now multiple of 59, 180 already closed, even number है. 177 already closed. 236 already closed. Then multiple of 61 के multiple है इनके बीच में. 122 that is already closed, even number है. 183 that is also already closed, and 244 that is also already closed. Now 67 के multiple है 134 और 201. So 134 is already closed because even number, and 201 is also already closed. Then 71 के multiple है 142 और 213. अब 142 तो even number है, that is already closed, और 213 is also already closed. अब 73 के चेक कर लेंगे. 146 और 290 these are also already closed. 219 you will see that is already closed. Okay, because mostly जो हमारे पास होते हैं starting में ही आ जाते हैं, but for confirmation we can check. 79 के होते हैं जो आपके पास है, that is 158 और 237. So 237 is already closed, and 100 this is also 158 is even number, so this is already closed. Then 83 के हैं 166 और 249. So 166 is even number, already closed, and 249 that is also already closed because that is the multiple of 3. Then after that we have 89 का second multiple होगा 178, that is even number, that is already closed. Then 97 का 194 that is also already closed, and 102 1 का second multiple होगा 202 that is also already closed. तो mainly हमारे पास क्या है, हमने जब 19 तक की तो हमारे पास सारे आ गए, तो mainly हमें 19 तक हमने चेक करना था. 19 तक हमारे पास सारे आ जाते हैं मोस्टली. Okay, so we have closed. Now which number are left these are the prime numbers. So now we can write prime numbers here. ओके अब जो हमारे पास बच गए वो सारे अब हमारे पास प्राइम नंबर्स हो गए बिटवीन 101 एंड 250. अब आप चेक करेंगे क्या क्या बच गए हमारे पास. वी विल सी नाउ 103. ओके सो वी राइट हियर. Now we should write prime numbers between 101 and 250. So we write here prime numbers between 101 and 250. So now we write R. Let me start writing. So first of all, first line we will check. There is 103, 107, 109. So we write here 103, 107, 109. Okay. Then next line we check. There is 113. Only in second line we have 113. Now we check third line. There is 127. Then fourth line. In fourth line 131, 137, 139. 131, 137, 139. Then next line there is only 149. Then next line 151, 157. Then next there is 167. Yes beta, sorry, 163 is left here. So 163, then 167. Okay. Then next is 173, then 179. Then next 181. Then you will check only 181 is there. Okay. Then next 191, 197, 193, then 197, then 199. Okay. 191, 193, 197, and then 199. Okay. Then after that, next is in the next line there is no one. Okay. Then 211. Only this line we have 211. Then next there is 227. Then 220. There is 223. Then 227. Then 229. Okay. 223. 227. Then 229. Then after that what we have? There is 233. Then 239. Then next is 241. This is the last 241. Okay. So mainly what you will do? First of all, you will write the counting from 102 to 249. Then you will cross the multiples of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Till 19 you will get all the multiples. आप सिर्फ 19 तक के multiples cross करेंगे, so you will get all the multiples, all numbers multiples. All 1 to 100, how many even numbers you have, that all multiples you will get. Okay, you will cross them and then you will get prime numbers between 101 and 250. Okay, so you will write like this. Thank you.